Hi my loves, my name's Natalia and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you my favorite manifestation tips. First things first is you're going to need a journal. I have this one here which I use daily, and then I have another one here which I purely use for manifestation. I'm going to share what I do in each one. But first of all, let's talk about what manifestation is. So essentially, manifestation is bringing something tangible into your life through attraction and belief. For example, if you think it, it will come. However, there's more to manifestation than just willpower and positive thinking via your thoughts, actions, beliefs, and emotions. So let's get clear on what you're focusing on, because whatever you're focusing on is what you're bringing into your current reality. Now that you know what manifestation means, it's time for me to show you how to get started. Okay, my loves, this is my daily manifestation routine. Step 1, you're going to get your journal and you're going to start writing. There's no two ways around it. Just get pen to paper. You're going to write down your thoughts, ideas, feelings, and goals. Don't overthink it, just start writing. Next, what you're going to do is write down 5 things that you're grateful for, expressing gratitude for all that you already have. Next, I want you to write down 5 things you like about yourself or 5 things you're proud of. And then I finish with 1 affirmation that I need to hear most. I love using I am affirmations as they're really powerful, such as I am worthy, I am capable, I am perfectly fit to achieve my visions. And then repeating this affirmation throughout your day, affirming all that you believe in. Once you start writing and getting clear on your visions, it's going to be amazing the transformation that you're going to see. This is going to change your life, because once you decide that you want a good life, the universe will start moving things for you to have it. The people you need will appear, the healing you need will happen, the doors that you need to open will unlock, but not until you decide. Once you truly, sincerely decide, then the miracles will start to happen. Okay, now I'm going to share with you my manifestation book. And this is where I write all of my visions. So the first thing that you want to do is ask the universe for what you want. When you start writing down and asking for what you want, it's like placing an order with the universe. Be really clear and specific about what it is that you want in life. Don't use words like I hope or I wish, because manifestation has a positive and negative effect. So if you use it in a negative way and you say, I hope and I wish, then you're going to keep hoping and wishing that those things will happen. And when you write this, the universe will say, oh, okay then, that you keep hoping and you keep wishing, because that's what you're asking for. You have to believe that this is already yours. This is how I ask for what I want in my manifestation journal. I write down the word vision and then I write next to it what I want to manifest. For example, I've got vision and health. I write down all my health and fitness goals here. I write down vision and family. I have a loving husband, but we do want to start trying for a baby soon. So that is something that I am manifesting. And then I have vision, friendships, vision, love, vision, dream job, and vision, home. Listen, you can add and tweak things to whatever you're manifesting right now and really start getting clear about what it is that you want. For example, my husband and I are trying for a baby, and I wrote down in my manifestation journal that I want to be pregnant before March 2021. And that is just something that I've written down, and I'm going to share it with you. And let's see if it comes true, because I'm manifesting this a lot. Now, the next step, we're still on ask at the moment, but I like to take this step to another level. And if you're not on Pinterest already, then you need to get over there and get creating. you're going to start creating your vision boards on Pinterest. And this is so amazing because you can keep these boards a secret or you can share them. It's really up to you. I like to write it the exact same way. So vision, health, vision, family, vision, friendships, vision, love. Whatever it is that you're manifesting, start creating a board and then start pinning photos that really resonate with you and the life that you want to attract. So get clear on what you want and only pin photos that align with you. I'm going to be sharing with you my vision family, even though it's on private. Let's just hop straight into it. So I've uploaded my family and friends that I already have in my life that I really love. And I've uploaded my favorite memories of family holidays and places that were visited together. One thing that Sam and I really want to get is a puppy. We've been manifesting a reddy brown dog, and so I've been pinning all the types of dogs that I love, which you can see here. There are a lot, and I'm obsessed with dogs, so stay tuned for that. And then we are also manifesting a baby, so I've been saving lots of baby pics and family photos because this is like something that I want to cultivate and manifest. I can't wait to create family traditions, go skiing with our little baby and go exploring and just being a really great mum. So I've been saving photos that align with me, and there's just some cute little baby feet and quotes that I love. So that is my vision board at the moment for family. Moving on to step 2 is you need to believe. So believing that you already have all of these things and these things are all on its way to you. This means that you need to get rid of things that are standing in your way. Let go of the how. It doesn't matter which way you're gonna get there, it matters that you're gonna get there in the end. So let go of the how and let go of any negative beliefs or limiting beliefs. Things that you say, like the timing. Oh, the timing isn't right. This isn't right. I don't know how it's going to work out. Don't think like that. What you want to affirm is, I know it's coming. All I know is that the present moment is all that matters. So believe that you have it right now. Step 3, receive. Visualize what it is that you want. When you're meditating, visualize what your dream life would look like. How would you feel if you were living this right now? Imagine yourself in your dream job or with your dream partner. Start journaling all that you want in your life. You can even write down a day in my dream life looks like ... and write down a perfect day. What does it look like? How do you feel living this life? And start to believe that all of that is already on its way to you. Use affirmations like, my dreams are my destiny. And every day I'm getting closer and closer to my dream life. And guys, this is it. Ask, believe, and receive. I am so happy to create this video for you guys. Let me know in the comments down below what you're manifesting right now and speak it into existence. I'm here to support you. Please keep me posted, and I hope you love this video. Don't forget to give it a like and please subscribe to my channel so I can create more videos like this for you. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.